Welcome to Mobile World Congress. Welcome to our booth. We Prose, we are quite happy today to share our latest development in terms of antenna technology. So we are happy here to show our high performance microwave antennas covering 92 all the way to 114 gigahertz with high gain. That is quite suitable for 5G application where higher order modulation is required. We're offering also a quite low side lobe level in this particular design, which is setting the standard quite high and proposing also quite low side lobe, which is very good in terms of 5G performances. On top of that, we have also integrated active passive antennas where you have all LTE, 4G and 5G antennas with quite low coupling between the different band and high PIM rating value of 153 dBc on the passive part, and still having a good transparency for the band C, for example, 3.5 gigahertz or band 41, 2.6 gigahertz. On top of that, also we all know that Open RAN is also becoming a good technology of interest. So therefore, we are also offering on top of our traditional antennas some of our radio unit that are Open RAN compatible and can work with any CU, DU, let's say firmware providers. And when it comes to also 5G, we know that those higher order MIMO, they might not be applicable in different scenarios. So we're proposing some alternative solution that is offering high order diversity MIMO, but for FDD or lower order MIMO in TDD. So for example, the solution that we are having here, we're proposing a 30 port where you can have 3 operators sharing one antenna, and each of them can exploit 44R MIMO. And in this one, we, on top of the FDD one, we're adding also the TDD, which means you have FDD plus TDD in one site. So you could use, for example, 88R as your TDD systems, and for example, 44R at low frequency, and maybe 244R at higher frequency. And our antennas, as you're seeing here, are newly optimized in terms of wind loading. So we're using a patented designs in terms of the end cap, the radome shape to reduce the drag coefficient, so that this can give an antenna that have the same size as the regular one, but with quite low wind load. And as I was saying, this is what we call the hybrid antennas, where we have the regular single sector antennas and few of twin beams that could also give you a 5G ready solution, especially at frequency division duplex band. Okay, so and the good thing here is that even if you have multiple operators sharing the solution, we only use a single rate, but that can be used independently, which means if 3 operators are using these antennas, they can have their independent optimization systems. For example, using our rate sharing technology. And we're happy to share all this information. So if you need any further details, so we will be very happy to help. Thank you.